The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel ABS, cruise control, FWD, power locks, daytime running lamps, outside temperature gauge, center console, tilt steering wheel, full-size spare tire. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.